It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. I'm so happy you're here because today we're going to look at something extra sweet, extra yummy and extra Christmassy. Are you ready? Because we're checking out a super cute Christmas gingerbread drawing. Look at this little gingerbread friend. Don't they look like they just jumped out of a Christmas cookie tray and said, "Hi everyone, I'm ready for some holiday fun." Do you like gingerbread cookies? I like them too, but this one is too adorable to eat. I think if we tried to eat it, it would say, "Hey, I'm not a snack. I'm here to make you smile." And look at those buttons. I think they're saying, "Press me and I might giggle, ha 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 ha." We did it! Our gingerbread friend is all drawn and waiting for its Christmas colours. Time to thicken the lines.
Wow!
This is like giving our gingerbread a big warm Christmas hug around the edges. Look how happy he looks. He's getting ready for colours, and he wants to look his best for you. Well, haha, look at that popping colours. Wow! It's colouring time. Let's give our gingerbread the cutest colours ever. Colour purple. Let's start with our first Christmas light. Look at this little moon. It's going to shine so brightly. I'm going to colour it purple, like a magical Christmas night sky. Colour blue. Next up is a heart-shaped light. Isn't it cute? I'm picking a lovely blue colour, like a chilly winter day. Can you see how happy this little heart looks? I think it's smiling at us. Colour green. Now for a star. Stars are so special at Christmas, they guide Santa's sleigh. I'm colouring it green, like our Christmas tree. Look how shiny and jolly it's becoming. It's ready to twinkle.
Wow!
I love it so much.
Wow!
Colour yellow. Another moon. This time, I want it to glow like a Christmas cookie under the warm lights. Yellow is perfect. Colour red. And finally, our last light, a red heart. Red is Christmas magic. Look at it. It's full of love and holiday joy. This little heart is ready to make everyone smile. Time for the little circles. Colour orange. Look at them popping all around like tiny Christmas candies. This one says, "Colour me yummy." And the next one says, "Me too. I want to look like a candy drop." Let's make each circle bright and colourful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. They're all looking super fun. Let's colour the Christmas hat now. Our gingerbread's hat looks so soft and cosy. I think it's saying, "I'm ready for the North Pole." Let's make it super bright so it looks extra Christmassy. That Christmas hat is so fluffy, I want to pick it up and squish it like a tiny pillow. Imagine putting it on your thumb and walking around saying, "Hello, I'm Mini Santa, ha 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 ha." Hey little gingerbread buddy, what's your favourite Christmas song? Oh, definitely Jingle Bells. Every time it plays, my buttons jiggle, and I do tiny cookie hops because it makes me so happy. Did you know gingerbread cookies were once shaped like animals, houses, and even tiny knights? People made them super fancy for Christmas parties.
Wow!
Are you enjoying watching our drawing, my friend? Colour brown.
Wow!
Now let's colour our gingerbread friend. Oh, look how cute this gingerbread looks, standing so still like it's posing for a Christmas photo. As we colour, I think it's saying, "Make me yummy looking, but don't eat me." And look at the icing on the arms and legs. So squiggly and fun. It looks like frosting doing a little dance. Colouring makes everything come alive. It's like giving each part of the drawing its own little personality. This gingerbread friend looks so calm, like it's practicing Christmas yoga. I think it's breathing in candy cane air and breathing out cookie crumbs. If it keeps this up, it might float away like a fluffy marshmallow. Gingerbread friend, why do you have such a cute little hat on? Because it gets chilly in the North Pole. My frosting needs to stay warm, or it starts shivering. Ha 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 ha.
Wow!
Did you know stars are used in Christmas decorations because they remind us of the bright star that shined over the first Christmas night? I love how this colour looks.
Wow!
It's so bright and cheerful, like it wants to jump off the page and shout, "Merry Christmas, friends!"
Wow!
I bet this gingerbread is trying really, really hard not to giggle. Look at that little straight face. It's like it's thinking, "Don't laugh, don't laugh." Oh no, here comes a giggle.
Wow!
Let's colour this cute little ribbon with yellow and green. And I think these is the perfect match for it. This gingerbread is standing so still, like it's pretending to be a Christmas statue. Maybe it's trying to win the most frozen cookie competition. Now let's colour these two cute buttons. Wow, they look so cute. And now the gift boxes. Look at these gifts on each side. So cute. They look like they're hiding surprises inside. I think they're saying, "Make us colourful so we look extra special." Let's colour the ribbons and the boxes. Wow! They look like the happiest presents ever.
Wow!
These presents look way too excited. I think if you tap them lightly, they'd shake and giggle like, "Hey, hey, 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 don't open me yet. My surprise isn't ready." Gift box, what are you hiding inside your ribbons? And the gift box said, "A super silly giggle. If you opened me, it would pop out and go, hey, 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 hey." Colour pink. Now let's colour this second gift box with colour pink. I'm curious what inside this second box. I think it's a teddy bear or Barbie for a little girl. What do you think, my little friends? Did you know gingerbread people were once given as gifts by kings and queens to show love and friendship? Isn't that sweet?
Wow!
Let's keep going, friends. Every colour we add makes the whole picture feel warmer, brighter, and full of Christmas joy. I love this part. It's like painting a tiny Christmas surprise. I never know how magical it'll look until it's done.
Wow!
Almost done. Can't wait. Ha ha ha. And ta-da! We finished our Christmas gingerbread. Wasn't that fun? If you loved it, press subscribe and let's keep colouring and drawing together. See you on next video. Happy Christmas, friends.